Also, water makes up most of your blood. Hydration makes it easier for your blood to pass through the liver and thus be filtered. Basically, the less hydrated you are, the less efficient your liver is at filtering out toxins like alcohol or chemicals. The liver is especially affected when the body is dehydrated. Drinking a large amount of water is essential for your liver's detoxification. It removes the toxins and flushes the liver tissues. Water helps the liver filter and remove all the toxins that it has absorbed from what we ate, drank, inhaled, or put on our skin. Not drinking enough water can cause these toxins to build up in the liver, which can, as a result, affect the rest of your body and put you at risk of illnesses. So, drinking water is the best way to recharge your liver. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.